steam-driven log loaders were used by the Little River Lumber Company for most of its history. They operated on a set of rails on top of flat cars and rolled along the length of the train, filling up the cars with logs as they went. This loader is an American hoist and derrick Model C dating to 1909, and it's rumored to have been used in the construction of the Panama Canal. It is currently configured to operate as a pile driver, but it otherwise is identical to the loaders used on the Little River.
Very cool.
That is neat. That's rumored to be used on the Panama Canal. That's major. That's a major thing. Awesome. Shay engine number 2147. Engine number 2147 is a 70-ton Class C Shay locomotive built in 1909. Shay engines are a special kind of locomotive specifically made to pull heavy loads up steep hills and around sharp curves. This was done on very rough tracks meant to only last a year or two until an area's lumber was gone. Unlike the conventional steam locomotive, where the wheels are connected directly to the engine with long steel rods, Shays use a series of gears to power every wheel. This allowed for the beating inflicted upon the rails by rods to be eliminated and for locomotive to gain more traction at the cost of speed. Number 2147 was built in Lima Locomotive Works in Ohio for the Babcock Lumber Company in Tellico Plains. It worked for the Little River Lumber Company between 1932 and 1935. By 1965, it was being used on a scenic railroad in North Carolina as part source to maintain two other Shays. In 1982, it was returned to Townsend and was the first item on the museum site. Number 2147 is the last remaining Shay engine from the Little River to not be wrecked or scraped. Interesting.
So it's not.
Push down and Kanda pulls up. Dad, will you get them started? Wait, that'll get you started. Push them. Push the bottom. There you go. That's cool watching them work together though. That's really fun. I would have liked that as a kid.
Let's go all the way. I'm trying.
Now.
Oh wow, look at that picture.
I know, isn't that cool?
They're so cute.